There was a time when discipline wasn't a choice, it was survival, and the people who lived it best were knights. Not because they were fearless, but because they followed a code, rules stronger than their feelings. Today, you don't hold a sword, but you fight something tougher: distraction, comfort, and self-doubt. And that's why their code matters now. Rule 1. Honor your word. Knights had one law: if you say it, you do it. Today, you break promises to yourself. I'll start tomorrow, I'll stay consistent. Every broken promise kills the self-trust. Without self-trust, discipline dies. Rule 2. Train daily. Knights sharpened their skills even without battles, because they knew if you only train when it's convenient, you're training to stay weak. Your battlefield is your mind. Your weapon is your attention. Rule 3. Face fear by moving. Knights had one response to fear: advance. No overthinking, no waiting. Movement. Every step forward kills fear. Every hesitation feeds it. Rule 4. Guard your environment. A weak camp made a weak knight. Your camp is your room, phone, habits. If you don't control your environment, it controls you. Rule 5. Live for a mission, not moods. Knights woke up for a purpose, not motivation. You don't need a destiny, just something stronger than your excuses. The truth. Knights weren't superhuman. They were ordinary people with extraordinary rules. Your life doesn't need more motivation. It needs a code. Follow one for 60 days and watch how different you become. Because the world doesn't reward potential. It rewards people with discipline, direction, and identity.